Alright guys, I'm doing a review on this Raincoast Skinless and Boneless Wild Pink Salmon canned. And the reason why I'm doing a review of this, I picked up this at the local grocery store. It's on sale, and it's not your typical can. I actually looked it up. They actually don't like overcook it or anything like that, so it retains a lot of its moisture. So it's supposed to taste phenomenal, and the reviews have been pretty good. So I wanted to give it a shot, and that's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. But I'm going to do a quick taste test. Let's open this up. This is more expensive than your regular can of salmon, by the way, guys. So just to let you know, but like I said, I got it on sale. I'm kind of eager to see what it tastes like. Alright, take a look at this. Okay, so first of all, I can smell it from here, and it actually smells pretty good. And there is no skin, as you can look there, so it looks decent. So let's see what it tastes like. Ooh, okay, check this out. Okay, so it does taste different. What would I say is it tastes like, well, it tastes like a can of salmon, but it's not as salty as something like this is. And it does retain more of the, it's not fishy. You don't get that huge fishy taste. That's what I noticed the most compared to something like this. So, but definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.